Hi friends, this is Somay Revatkar from Somay Revatkar Trades. So today we are discussing about the topic how to plan a trade. So this is a basic video regarding how to plan a trade, what we need to look before taking a trade. So the basic funda which has a foundation of our trade is the loss per trade concept. So what is loss per trade? For example, you have an account of 1 lakh rupees. So with an account of 1 lakh rupees, if you are planning to have a risk of 2%, so on a 1 lakh rupees, you will have a risk of 2%, which is equals to 2000 rupees per trade. So if the trade goes against you and if you lose in the trade, the highest value that you will lose is 2000 rupees. That's it. So you have to decide what kind of risk you want to take before trading, and it is an individual decision. So if suppose I am an individual and I am taking 1% risk on my trade, then for a 1 lakh rupees account I will take 1000 rupees as my risk. This will be the highest amount that will I will be losing per trade. So now the basic things we need to check before taking a trade is that ESTV. So ESTV is entry, stop loss, target point, and then volume. So volume is also the most important part of a trade. Most of the time we only discuss about or we only think about entry, our stop loss price, and also target. But we never discuss about our volume. Reason being, we are never focused about volume. We only set our targets. For example, if there is a price movement of 10 rupees and we assume that we will reach that 10 rupees upside target, then we will take 1000 shares and run the trade in a thought process or in an expectation of getting 1000 into 10, that is 10,000 rupees profit, but we don't see the downside of it. So volume is the most important concept, most important part of a trade. We should never ignore volume. So let's take an example. ESTV. Suppose the stock is trading as 100 rupees and our stop loss is at 95 rupees and our target is 110. Whatever may be the target, I am more concerned about only 2 points: what is the entry and what is the stop loss. So we have a formula: risk volume equals to risk upon entry price minus stop loss price. So for this example, my risk, that was 2% of 1 lakh rupees, that is 2000 rupees, divided by 100 minus 95, which gives me a total volume of 400. So in this case I will only trade 400 shares. So if I lose my trade, if I lose my money, the with these 400 shares I will only lose 2000 rupees from my account, which is acceptable to me. So in this way, my trade is very well planned, and my risk is very well planned. So this is the way we have to trade. Our each and every trade has to be planned in this way. Let's take another an example. If my risk is 1% over 1 lakh rupees account, so my risk becomes 1000 rupees. So now ESTV, for this example we are taking different values. So 1000 rupees is the market price where I want to enter the trade. 960 is the market price at which I will get stopped out of the trade, and target is 1080. I'm considering 1 is to 2 as risk to reward ratio, but then again target, whatever may be the target, I am not concerned with it as of now. So with my formula, 1000 divided by entry minus stop loss, so 1000 divided by 1000 minus 960, that gives me 1000 divided by 40. So the total volume that comes out to be 25. So in this trade I will only trade 25 units of the share, not more than that, not less than that, because I have planned my trade. My stop loss has been planned, my risk has been planned. So this is a basic video about how we should plan each and every trade, irrespective of the trade, irrespective of the script, whatever thing it may be. I have planned my risk. I am risking only some certain amount of money. If it goes away from me, so it doesn't make much difference to my account, I can recover it in another trade. But most of the time what happens is that we trade randomly, we put random volumes, and then we lose all our account value in one or two trades. So friends, always think about, when you are trading, always think about ESTV and then go for your trading. So this was my basic video about how to plan a trade. So till then, you can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, you can comment, you can post your comment, and you can even ask what kind of video you want from me. You can subscribe my Telegram channel, also follow me on Facebook. Till then, bye.